Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from Merrill account. So guys, to withdraw from Merrill account, what you have to do, just follow me in this video. First step guys, the simple way to move available cash of a Merrill account. Use ACH, the transfer tools on the broker website, which automatically you can connect Bank of America account that's open and the same security number. And what you have to do guys, select from the CMAH and click your saving account here, and after that write your amount you want to withdraw and select your payment date. After that choose the frequency times as you can see here, and after that you will transfer the view, and you make sure guys you can withdraw only transfer with funds be slowly. You can take 3 more days. Maybe each charge 0 for basic withdrawals. And as I say guys, you can transfer only the tools on the broker's website, which automatically connects on the bank, as you can see here guys. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Keep watching guys.